Hi guys, I'm Carlo from UNC. In this video, I will show you how I implemented the bingo card generator app in Java. So first things first, I will read the description for you. Create a program that will create an n number of bingo cards as input by the user. Create a method for generating the bingo card and a method for displaying the bingo card. So that means I have to create two methods. One is for generating the bingo card and another one for displaying it. Another thing is the program is asking the user for the number of bingo cards to generate and display. So I'll be using the scanner class to obtain input. Let's proceed to the first method. My first method is create random no repeats, and it has three parameters here. This first parameter is for the array to be filled with random non-repeating numbers, and these two variable here, min and max, is for the range, for the random number range. This first loop is for iterating over all the contents inside the array, and this loop is for duplicate checker. If it finds a duplicate, this I minus minus will go to the previous element and generates another random number to remove the duplicate. This repeats until all the array elements are filled with random non-repeating numbers. This break is, don't even think about it. And this another method is for displaying the bingo card. I have only one parameter here, to the array. It contains all the numbers generated in this method. So this print line just prints the headers B, I, N, G, and O. And this nested loop prints the elements inside this to the array. Inside this system.out.print, I use ternary operator because using if-else means I will consume more lines here. So ternary operators are just one line. I'll explain it to you. Ternary operators has three sections. First is the conditional. In this case, I have I is equals to 2 and j is equals to 2. And the second section is the true statement, and the last section is the false statement. If this condition is true, then this will be executed. Otherwise, this will do. Another thing is I use string format to format the numbers to make them align to each other, because if I don't put this one, there will be a misalignment of rows in the matrix. This modulo for the means give 4 space allowance in every number. So let's dive into the driver method or the main method. Since this program asks for the user input, I created new instance of scanner and named it SCN. Before we put the program for use, we must let the user know first what does the program do. So I'll print it here. It's a bingo card generator. And what input does the computer need? So I declared variable bingo cards and initialize it with the user input. And this loop will create several number of bingo cards based on this one. This is the current card indicator, card 1, card 2, card 3, and this one is for the bingo card numbers. I use 2D arrays because to shorten the code. If I create an individual array for, let's say, array for B, array for I, array for N, array for G, array for O, the code will be longer. So let's proceed. This loop here, what this does is it just stores, it just calls the create random no repeats to store the bingo numbers inside this 2D array. I declared another variable k. This is for the range. Its purpose is for the range only. Let's say B, because bingo card is divided by 5, and it has a range of 1 to 75 numbers. First row B has a range of 1 to 15 only, so I'll put it here, K15, 15. And for another loop, for letter I added 15 here, so that the range will become 16 to 30. And then another 15 for letter N, 31 to 45, and so on. And this last line here displays the bingo cards. That's all. Thank you for watching.